In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a remote control app to manage OBS Studio 28 right from your mobile device, making your streaming sessions smoother and more efficient. First, let's ensure your OBS Studio is ready for remote control. If you're using version 28 or newer, good news, WebSocket is integrated by default, so you're all set. However, if you're on an older version, you'll need the OBS WebSocket plugin. To do this, head over to the official GitHub releases page, download the plugin, and install it. Now, let's dive into enabling the WebSocket server within your OBS Studio. Open the application and navigate to Tools, then to WebSocket Server Settings. Here, you'll want to make sure Enable WebSocket Server is checked. It's essential to set a port number. By default, this will be 4455, and don't forget to set a password for secure access. Once you've configured these settings, click OK to save your changes, and your OBS is now ready to communicate with your remote app. Moving on, you'll need to download a remote control app that works with OBS WebSocket to your smartphone or tablet. Some popular options include OBS Blade, Touch Portal, or Stream Deck Mobile. These apps will allow you to seamlessly control your OBS from the palm of your hand. With your remote app installed, it's time to connect it to OBS. Launch the app on your device and enter the IP address of your computer that's running OBS. Ensure that both your mobile device and computer are connected to the same network. You'll then be prompted to input the WebSocket port. Remember, that's defaulted to 4455, along with the password you set in OBS. Once those details are entered, go ahead and connect to OBS. Now that you're connected, let's explore how you can use the app to control OBS. Depending on the app you've chosen, you'll have various controls at your fingertips. You can switch between different scenes, start or stop your streaming or recording sessions, and even mute or unmute your audio sources. Additionally, you can adjust mixer volumes and, if desired, trigger macros or other custom actions based on your needs. For those looking to customize the experience further, many remote apps offer the ability to tailor buttons and layouts. This customization is fantastic for setting up quick actions like switching scenes or toggling sources to fit perfectly with your workflow. Lastly, it's crucial to secure this efficient setup. Use strong, secure passwords for your WebSocket connection, and if possible, ensure your remote connection is either local or secured by a VPN. This will prevent any unauthorized access and keep your session secure. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to controlling OBS Studio 28 via a remote control app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel for more easy to follow tech tutorials. Thank you for watching.